Hey guys, so today's video we're gonna talk about some stuff. I don't want to make this video too long, but I need to address this. I need to tell you guys what's been going on. I need to address it. First off, I've gotten a lot of messages from you guys saying that Nicole State is back on Instagram, and yes, she is. She has like a private account now. I don't really give a shit. That doesn't affect me at all. I don't really care. But yes, I do know that she has her account back, or a different account. So what we're going to talk about in this video is my stalker. So back in the summertime, I think it was like July, maybe August. No, this was when I was posting my videos about Nicole State. And first off, I just want to say something. Whenever I've made a not so nice video about someone, it's not me just like randomly going like, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, I'm gonna call you out and be a bitch to you and blah, blah, blah. Like, no, that's not the case at all. Anytime that I've made a video talking like bad about someone or being negative about someone, it's because they did some shady shit. Like they did something wrong. And I'm telling you guys about it. It's not me being a bully, that fucking word. No. Not even close. It's not true that I come for everyone in the reselling community. I talk shit about everyone in the reselling community. No, if you're a douchebag and you do shady shit, yeah, I'll talk about you. But I'm not just going after random ass people. I'm not just gonna waste my time on little shit. If I mention you in a video, it's because you did something pretty fucking crazy. And my stalker is pretty fucking crazy. With my stalker, I'm not using that word as like a funny, like, oh yeah, she's crazy. Like I really think she has something wrong with her, and you'll understand why. I just want to clear that up. Anyone that I've talked about in a video, whether it's reselling or in like the beauty community, like companies and shit, it's because that they've done bad things. It's not because I'm just randomly picking people to pick on, you know, like that's not, no. And if you can't realize that and understand that, then just get off my channel. It's not for you. So anyway, I was making videos about Nicole State because that whole drama went down. I'll link those videos down below. I'm not going to go into it right now. But in one of those videos, I had talked about guys, this still blows my mind. Like yeah. Okay, so in one of these videos, I was talking about bundle comments and how they're not private. You know how when you make a bundle on Poshmark, you can comment on that bundle. Those comments are not private. Anyone can see those comments. And one of you guys, do I need to show screenshots of this? I'm going to show you guys a screenshot of a DM that I got from someone showing me these bundle comments. Some of you guys think that I went and I was like snooping in Nicole's bundles and reading her comments. Like, no, I don't have time for that shit. No. I gotta put it right there so you guys can't see her profile picture. But yeah, these are the DMs that I got from someone showing me the bundle comments talking about me. In this bundle, this person whose name I did not name. Let's just get that clear. I did not fucking say her name. But this girl made a comment about me. She said, "Hi Nicole, is there any way you can throw a lawsuit against Keepin It Rad? It's not fair. She is making a series to make money off drama. There is something you can do. It's not right." And so she went back and forth with her, and I read those comments in a video, and the girl that wrote those comments got so mad, like so mad. I don't know why. I didn't say her name. I didn't say her name, but she got so mad. She decided to make a YouTube channel dedicated to me, make videos about me, harassing me, make fake accounts. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have screenshots to show you guys. I'm not going to show you guys everything because this video would be so fucking long, but just know I have screenshots of everything. I have videos. It's insane. So yeah, so she made the YouTube channel. At first I was like, oh, it's kind of funny. In my 12 years on YouTube, I've never had anyone go after me like that. I've never had anyone, make a whole YouTube channel dedicated to me, literally watch all of my videos, all of my Instagram stories, like literally fucking stalk me. I've never had that happen. If I had done something to warrant it, then yes, game on, make a channel about me. But I did not. And she started using like pictures of me in her videos, and I sent a copyright strike on her once and she denied it. She's like, hey, she never copyright striked me. I did. I have the fucking email, the proof. If you log into my fucking YouTube account, you can see I sent a copyright strike on her. That video got taken down. So I did that, and then she just kept going on, and I ignored her. And then, guys, I have like a team of people that are friggin' FBI sleuths. You guys are awesome. I'm not gonna name names. You guys know who you are. Thank you guys so much. What's twisted is that she claims all along she left clues and stuff. Like she wanted me to know who she was, and that's not the case at all. She did not want people to know who she was. Like she's a liar, like flat out liar. I have proof. So yeah, I figured out who she was, and I was gonna mess with her. I have like a little snippet where I kind of messed with her in an upcoming video. But yeah, I was going to mess with her for a while to not let her know that I knew who she was. But I was just like, you know what? Fuck it. I want her to know that I know who she is. This shit needs to stop. So I posted on Instagram and I said that I knew who she was. Shockingly enough, she made a video that day saying, "You'll never know who I am." And it's like, I just found out who you were. Like, that's funny. So I posted that. Do I have the story? Yeah, I guess I can show you guys the story. All right, this video is probably going to be kind of long. Okay, so I don't have a screenshot of the original thing that I posted, but basically I posted a picture of her in a mask and I said, I know who you are. I said, tell Oreo, I said meow, because in her username, she had the word Oreo and it's either her cat or her dog's name or something. I don't know. I just wanted her to know that I knew who she was. So when I posted that, I get these messages on friggin' Instagram from this girl. Her name's Jessica, by the way. So I get a message from her. She's not following me and I'm not following her. But I get this message from her and I'll show you guys screenshots. I'll put the screenshots right here. She said, hi Vanessa, my name is Jessica. I'm a huge follower of you and I think your YouTube channel is amazing. But I noticed you used my Oreo in your Instagram and you are relating to a girl that I have no clue who you're talking about. What legal action and what is this about? Can you share more information? Because I said I was in talks with a lawyer and actually I did meet with a lawyer yesterday and we're moving forward with shit. So, and he said I can do this video too. So just throwing that out there. Then she said, I'm addressing this because my best friends are telling me this. You can ask my friends around me that know me. I do follow you, but not many resellers. I have a small circle of friends. What is going on? Everyone knows me by my dog, Oreo. I make reselling photos of my baby dog. Please, I know you make YouTube videos, but now everyone is asking me. And I said, what's your channel? Because I read that comment wrong. I thought she said she makes YouTube videos and she said channel. I said, you said you make YouTube videos. Because again, I thought I read the comment wrong. She said Instagram. I said, just stop. She said, I don't make videos on YouTube. Not sure what you're regarding to. Stop what though? I'm so confused. Oreo, my dog? She's playing dumb. Like she's pretending it's not her. I said, I have all the proof I need in a meeting with my lawyer in the morning. For what? What did I do wrong? My Instagram has nothing to do with you. Ask anyone. I'm honestly confused. Who is that girl? I said, you're honestly psychotic. How? Nicole State? Who? I said, I have all the proof to link you. Why are you calling me names if you're confusing me with this girl? Whoever this girl is, I'm guessing Instagram or something got you very confused. Said, I'm not confusing you, it's you. She said, who? I'm not Nicole State or anything. I'm guessing you're referring me to Nicole State. I seen your YouTube videos on her. I said, nope, you're not Nicole, you're my stalker. The best thing you can do is admit it. Denying it will only hurt your cause. Again, meeting with my lawyer. Ooh, I had a typo. Meeting with NY lawyer. Why are you being so mean when you have the wrong person? Stalker? I said, please seek help. You really need it. And I genuinely mean that. Like she really needs help. Like I'm not like saying that to be funny. She legit needs help. She said, who is the stalker? I said, you. She said, that is rad. You have the wrong girl and my friends are warning me about you. They say you're very mean and go after everyone. You have the wrong girl and you're slamming me and upsetting and false information. Go get a lawyer. My husband, a lawyer. I will explain you are falsely accused me of someone who I don't know. Not sure who you're talking about. But if you need to get my husband, that's fine. I will too, but not sure what is going on. I'm spreading awareness on your false comments and messages. Plus, you can't do anything when I have done nothing wrong. I said, you've made a big mistake fucking with me. I literally have proof of everything. Again, you are not telling me much. Not sure what's going on, but I hope you resolve your problem. Proof of what? My friends say you can't do anything because I've done nothing wrong. I will gather up my thoughts and see what's going on. You seem very angry. And how come you make videos on Nicole State and that's fine? You are accused me of doing something that I'm not sure. What's going on? Take care, girl. I think you're losing it. I will watch your YouTube channel today and see what's going on. And then I blocked her. Then I posted on Instagram and I said my stalker is Jessica Jess _Oreo because that was her Instagram name. She was also known as Bins Crazy Jess. So she sent me all those messages denying, like just saying she's not my stalker. She's not the girl, which is lies, all lies, literally lying out of her ass. Her Instagram was private, but I had a bunch of you guys that follow me that were following her. So you guys are sending me screenshots of her Instagram. So thank you. I appreciate it. So yeah, so then she posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts about me. And yeah, she had changed her Instagram name to just a bunch of like a letter and a bunch of numbers. And then you guys, my night was made because she posted this. I'll put a screenshot of it. It's a screenshot from Bad as Rad's YouTube channel. And underneath the post, it says, so I found who Bad as Rad is talking about. She's accusing me of being her, but how? This girl looks like a teenager. Her YouTube channel is disturbing. I couldn't watch every video. I watched Bad as Rad, but I can't make out much of anything except the Nicole State drama. What is going on? Guys, okay, see how it says edit channel and manage videos? You would not be able to see that unless it was your YouTube channel that you were looking at. She just outed herself, you guys. When one of you guys sent this to me, I literally was laughing so hard I was crying. Like, it was hilarious that she outed herself. Like, so yeah, so then of course I posted that, and then she changes the whole narrative. She posted this. Vada's rad took a long time after I gave her and everyone clues who I am. First of all, no. She didn't give clues until recently. She did not want people to know who she was. She was not giving clues all along. That's a fucking lie. Just lies out of her mouth. One lie after another. Yeah, I'm not going to read the rest of this. You guys can like pause the video. And this is on her other Instagram account, Ms. Bad is Rad. And then she posted this post shortly after. In the end, Carmel will be a bigger bitch than I'll ever need to be. Again, guys, what did I do wrong here? Like, what did I do wrong? I read her messages that were about me, and I didn't give out her name. That's what I did wrong to get all this? Like, are you fucking serious? What if I'd actually done something? I don't even want to think about that because I don't even know. Then she changed her Instagram name once again. And then the next morning, I get a comment on Poshmark from the account Bad is Rad. So she made that account. Hi, Vanessa. Good morning. It was a very exciting evening last night. Love this item you have here. Thank you for everything. I had a lot of fun. Remember, bundles are not private. Thank you for finally sharing my name. I had so much fun going in live streams. My clues were obviously there. Have a wonderful weekend and Halloween. Hugs. Now that you know who I am, tell everyone hi for me. So again, flip the narrative to being like, oh, I wanted you to know who I was all along. No, you fucking didn't. Oh, then later in the day, she posted this. I'm so happy today. My bully is miserable and needs help. Guys, I'm looking at her Instagram right now and she has since deleted the last one I showed you. And then she's just got these two random ones. Like, I'm still laughing. Haha, I gave so many ideas and clues. I went in live streams and chat rooms. Then why did you come at me in my DMs saying that it wasn't you? Like, see, this is so twisted. Like, I just want this shit to be done with. This is the last time I'm going to speak of her because this is absolutely insane. There's so many other screenshots too from other fake accounts that she's made. I don't know how many fucking fake accounts she has made on Poshmark and talk shit to me. Like, I can't, I lost track. I have so many screenshots. Like, it's absolutely insane. Forgot to mention that I found her TikTok and there's a video of her talking in it. It's the same voice that's on the Bad is Art YouTube channel. There really is no mistaking it. Her mannerisms are exactly the same. The voice on the Bad is Art YouTube channel is just, she did it like in a high pitch, edited it to make it like a higher pitch, but it is her voice for sure. I'm just gonna play the audio. I'm not gonna show you the video, but she went and deleted all her TikTok videos.
I grabbed my Goodwill outlet bins. Leather jackets that I found 3 years ago. Here it is to sell on my Poshmark closet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know. Did you miss me? I know, I missed you too. So, I took a little break, and I threw some trash out of my YouTube channel.
Her TikTok was Bin Crazy Jess, and I'll show you guys this screenshot that links her Instagram account to the Bin Crazy Jess. I'm just going to show you it on my phone right here. See how it says Jessica, Jess friggin' Oreo, and then Bin Crazy Jess. This is very different than me making videos about like Nicole State, for example. Like, she sent one of her messages, how come she can make videos about Nicole State? It's like very different. My videos about Nicole State have pointed out shit that she's done. Her videos and her actions, like making the multiple fake accounts, literally stalking me on every social media platform, that's harassment. Completely different. And again, if you can't see the difference between the two, then my channel isn't for you. Just go. And I really don't care if I lose subscribers after this. Like, I know that I literally did not do anything to warrant her doing all this shit. Anyway, I met with a lawyer yesterday and things are being handled. I know her name. I know where she lives. Thank God she does not live near me because, I mean, I don't even know. I don't even know what would happen, honestly. A lot of investigative work was done, and seriously, thank you guys so much, the ones that helped me. I really, really appreciate it. She did have a YouTube channel and she collaborated with it was at least 2 other people that I talked to. But yeah, this shit needs to be done, and it will be done because legal shit is happening now. This video is super long and it's gonna be a pain in the butt to edit, but I had to get it up. I had to tell you guys because a lot of you guys are asking me on Instagram, you know, what's going on? You were confused, but I had to address it once and for all. And Jessica, if you're watching this, just stop. Just stop. You'll be getting some correspondence soon. just stop. She's actually very talented. One of the girls that I had talked to had purchased something from her, something that she had painted, and it was actually really cool. So maybe put all your effort and focus back into that instead of me, because it's not going to get you anywhere fun if you continue to mess with me. I promise you. I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.